Yerushalayim probably is one of the smallest cities in the world, but it's God's city. According to our tradition, maybe it'll make you smile, but this is what the Holy Rabbis teach us. Yerushalayim is the highest city in the world. Yerushalayim is the center of the world. And you know, you ask me, I'm a Jew. Ask me any time of the day or night, what are you thinking about? Tell you, this is what I'm thinking. B'nai Yerushalayim, Yerushalayim, Mirak Kodesh, Yerushalayim, Mirak Kodesh, B'nai Yerushalayim. Please from mighty rebuild Yerushalayim, rebuild the whole world. I over the Yerushalayim, over the Yerushalayim,